Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 212 of Trading Talk. In this episode, Tom shows a model he's developed to trade gold on all time frames, using some really simple concepts and ideas to enter and exit trades. You'll see how a simple idea can really bring a strategy to life. Last night we did a practice run with Perry Kaufman for the Algo conference, and believe me, you're going to love it. He shows some really great models that we've tested and they perform very well over time. And we've been working with Perry to get some of his key calculations into templates in XBuilder as well. So you can take them and use them in your own models. You're really going to love them. I've seen the first versions of Stefano's and Trevor's presentations also, and seriously, you won't find anything like this at any other conference or anywhere else for that matter. If you haven't got a ticket to this year's conference, contact us on the trading desk today and we'll organise one for you as soon as possible. This is going to be a great event. Now, if you'd like to watch this episode of Trading Talk in full and you don't already have access, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching the video on YouTube. And also to get updated when a new video's been released, simply subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you click on that bell icon to get notifications. I really hope you enjoy this episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.